is not.
You scared?
Yes.
It's not real.
Down there that makes noise.
Yeah, I like that, Ursula.
I like the red pharaoh.
Go stand in front of it.
See the witch?
Bella, put it in your bag. I see the witch. She gonna fly away.
Move your hand in front of its mouth for the top two. There you go. It used to jump out, but it broke.
Jeezy, help your sister. We in my big cousin neighborhood. We are trick-or-treating. And yeah, I got Barbie, Spider-Man, and a butterfly figure. Yeah. Yeah, so. And look at all my little cousins. Let me turn the camera around.
What's up?
Hi, Tony Wong.
Bella.
How you doing?
Jacob. Wow, that little fairy. The little fairy. Guess what?
Y'all up here, when you first come in, they got big ass Twinkies, big ass Debbie cakes. Well, I stopped the car because I thought I was late. So we was doing it from the car. This is family. This ain't even a third of my family. My family's so big. It's like 20 of us walking, y'all. Oh, look at the hot dog. So cute. Bella, don't take the whole bowl. Come on now. Other kids gotta get candy. Quit being greedy. Yes. Come on.
There was Jason. There was Jason.
You said no more.
There was Jason.
Shot from Fat, but crew, can you carry your bag heavy, baby? You okay? Is it heavy? It is. You want me to help you? You got it? Look, hold it like this. Hold it with your muscle, like this. Then it won't be so heavy. Yeah.
How do you?
This is all one family. This is crazy. And this ain't even a third. This ain't even a third of us. Yeah.
My kids just recently met Tony for the first time. For real? Yes.
For real?
Yes. For the first, I was like, I stopped signing to one of them.
Let's go to Robin's house.
Kaylin.
Oh, right there.
Right there.
Oh, I guess I'm conducting this house, huh?
She right there with crew.
Don't talk to Jason like that.
Who? What he say?
Telling him to leave him alone. Wow, look at the star.
Y'all don't need to go to this house because we went to this house. Let them get, because y'all got y'all McDonald's. Hey, so I am. Hey y'all. I didn't finish my braids, but I literally got like
Hey y'all,
I literally got like 5 more braids. But I had to abruptly stop because I have to go pick up Giselle from school. I got so much shit to do. Normally I would be irritated, but it is what it is. She happiness. I thought McDonald's coffee was nasty, but it's really not nasty. They don't stir it up. I got a pumpkin spice latte, and they don't stir it up. So when I got it, it tasted bitter. So you would need to ask them for a stirrer or like whirl it around to get the flavor to come up. I went home and added some French vanilla to it, and I really didn't need to do that because everything was on the bottom. All I had to do was stir it up, but it's still good. It made it taste better. So yeah, but as you can see, it's just the middle not done. You can't tell if I got it in a ponytail. I'm gonna go get her. So that's the to-do list. I'm gonna go get Giselle. Then go back home. It should not even take me 5 little braids. It should not even take me 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna hop in the shower because I got some errands to run. Go to the store, get a few things. So I'm going to do that.